this visual is going to stay with me
It's
for a while.
gonna stick. I don't know, actually, I should demo it out for you. How to pronounce niacinamide. I hope I said that properly. Niacinamide. Yes, I think I did. I would love to simplify skin with you.
And I want to introduce you to somebody. Hi, so good to see you.
Same here.
She's going to do something exciting for us. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, I'm going to be coming here every week with your favorite skin influencers and experts to talk about all things skin. You know, I've been with Simple Skincare since its launch in India and I've had the best time associating with this brand, and today we're going to simplify skincare because let's face it, we all have our journey with skin, figuring out what serums to use, understanding the ingredients, or even trying to figure out how to pronounce niacinamide. I hope I said that properly, niacinamide. Yes, I think I did. Don't ask me how to spell it because I wouldn't know. And you know, honestly, skincare is me time. It's my time where I get to pamper myself. And to be honest, at the end of the day, you don't want to complicate things for yourself, right? You just want to keep it simple. And that's what we're here for. So today we have Shreya Jain with us. You obviously know her. I'm not even going to bother giving an introduction. She's obsessed with all things skin and beauty, and she's the right person to discuss skincare and to simplify.
Thank you so much for having me here today. And I would love to simplify skin with you because I feel it's very important, especially now these days when skincare has become like fast fashion.
Yeah.
There's a new ingredient, a new launch every single day, and sometimes even I want to take a step back because it's so overwhelming.
Yeah.
To see all of these ingredients and you don't know what to put on your face and you want your skin to be healthy and happy, but then again it's just like, what do I even use on my skin? So thank you so much for having me here.
No, this is a conversation that I was also very excited to have because I think our skin is constantly changing, right? As we are evolving as people, our skin is also going through its own journey. For example, there's maybe you might have a time where you suddenly find yourself sensitive to certain products that otherwise, you know, your skin was reacting beautifully to.
Oh, that's because of your skin barrier, and a lot of times it just takes a little bit more time to show it. So you might feel that something is suiting you, but it's slowly breaking your skin barrier down. Skin barrier might seem very sciencey and very complicated, but it's truly not. It's like this shield that's protecting your skin. So anything that's not supposed to go in, like maybe say dust, grime, bacteria,
Throws it out.
It protects your skin. So it's that protecting layer, and it's everything for skin.
Interesting. So essentially what you're saying is that your skin barrier is like a filter paper.
Oh, I like that
A filter
comparison.
paper that leaves out dirt and impurities from water, and if it gets damaged, dirt enters the water, basically.
Yes, so it's extremely important that we make sure that we're using a gentle cleanser because that's where it starts, right? So whatever you put on top is the next step. If you're washing your face with something that's extremely stripping, it will make sure your skin barrier is compromised completely.
But okay, you said gentle cleanser,
Yes.
all right? How do you know how gentle a cleanser really is? Because a lot of brands might claim to have gentle cleansers. So what is a way to really check?
So the thing is with cleansers, you can either see it in the texture in the physical form, and sometimes you need to reverse the label, not to completely study it, but to just make sure that the things you don't want to be there are not there. So when you talk about the physical form, you don't want any exfoliating, like harsh exfoliating beads in there, because if they have like sharp edges to it, it can damage your skin barrier externally. Like it can create micro tears, so your skin will have those openings where dust, grime and everything can come in, and again, you know, irritate your skin a lot. So make sure you don't have a lot of exfoliating beads and sharp exfoliants in your face wash. You're washing your face morning and night, so you're over exfoliating your skin, and that leads to a big disaster.
Yeah.
So exfoliating bead, no. And then other things like say colorants, alcohol, fragrance, you don't want it to be in there. So just turn your label around, like your face wash around, and just see that it does not have any of those. I don't know, actually I should demo it out for you, how you can see if a face wash is gentle or not.
Yeah, can we have the face wash, please? I'm not going to underestimate my catching skill. Yes.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to quickly give you a demo and you'll see how easy it is to make out if it's gentle or not. So first of all, let's put a little bit of it on the back of my hand because I've spent too much time in this makeup. So you see it's clear.
Yeah,
so there are no colorants in here, and when you smell it, you want to smell it?
I've smelled it before. I know there's nothing.
There's nothing. You can't really smell any strawberry or
Nothing.
peach or anything of that sort. And when you try to feel it, there's not a lot of soapy feel to it as well. You don't want it to be too soapy because extra soapiness adds harshness to your products. So it's very gentle, very gel-like. So it's very calming on the skin as well.
And as an actor, when I have makeup on my face almost every day and I'm constantly washing my face, you don't want to use something that's going to be harsh.
Too powerful
in any
as well,
way.
yeah.
So in that sense, this is something that personally works for me. What I love about Simple Skincare is that it's very clear that there are no baddies. there is no scope for baddies, you know. There's absolutely no fragrance. There are no harsh chemicals. And when you know a product already doesn't have all of this, somewhere you do feel rest assured that you're in safe hands.
It's a no-brainer. You don't have to truly put in so much effort because I get it. For us, like we're skincare junkies, so we might want to research on every single ingredient out there. Not everyone has the time for it. So it's easier when you have a brand and a product that you can put your trust on without thinking too much. So now that we've seen this, is Charu ready with her surprise? Because we've been waiting.
Oh yes.
So nice to see you again.
Come get cozy with us on the couch.
Girls' night, skincare night.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you guys were on cleanser. I was listening through the conversation.
We
Very
made sense.
interesting.
We made sense, right?
A lot of sense. In simple, what we do is we design products which are gentle and effective, and we do not want to be preachy. There are so many videos available on YouTube giving a lot of gyan, but we want to actually show you what these harsh cleansers can do to your skin. Yeah. So let's go to the section where you can see yourself, you know, what these ingredients in harsh cleansers do.
Yeah. And I love the Simple Skincare philosophy, which is strong yet kind.
Yeah, absolutely.
Shall we?
Exactly what you need for your skin. Take the lead, ma'am.
Yes, here's the fun part with Simple. So what you see here are two petri dishes. So we have a soap solution and a simple face wash solution. What you see here, two tiny dots, these are Jain sheets. Jain sheets are proteins basically, and your skin also comprises of proteins. What we'll do is we'll put these Jain sheets into the soap solution and face wash solution and see what happens.
That's very interesting.
This is good.
So soap and
This is no soap, yes.
simple and not so simple.
Yes, exactly. So what I'll do is I'll place these Jain sheets in this solution. These are very delicate and hence need to be handled with care.
So this represents our skin basically.
Yes. So we'll have to wait for 1.5 hours and then we come back and see what happens here.
Let's see what our skins have been up to.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay.
See the difference?
Very clearly.
This
Yeah.
has completely disintegrated.
Yes. So this is what is actually happening to your skin when you're using harsh cleansers. Soap-based cleansers or non-soap based which are harsh. Yeah.
I didn't realize it was
That bad.
that bad. Oh my goodness.
Yes. So basically what harsh cleansers do is they really rip off your skin. Yeah. They strip off all the oils and lipids that are important and essential for a healthy skin barrier. So at Simple, what we do is we really design products which are mild and gentle, yet effective. And that's what you see here as Simple face wash.
This visual is going to stay with me
It's
for a while.
holistic, yeah.
It's crazy to think that this is what happens to your skin.
Yeah, it does.
Thank you. I'm so glad we truly eye-opening.
Yeah, so insightful and
Thanks.
eye-opening.
That was so interesting.
I swear to see that paper break down, I was like, is that what truly happening to our skin? Like, even though you know you should be using a gentle cleanser, but to see that happening is like,
It's now going to make me at least think twice because it's scary to think that your skin is actually going through
all of that and your skin barrier
All
is
of
like
this.
crying out for help, honestly.
So I think my 3 big takeaways for a healthy skin barrier would be 1, use a gentle cleanser on your face. Very obvious to
Definitely.
see what happens when you don't.
Yes.
Second thing would be to use products that don't have fragrance. So no fragrance, no alcohol and no color.
Oh yeah,
Right?
for sure.
And third one would be SPF.
Your
Sunscreen.
BFF.
Yes, SPF is your BFF, guys. So wearing sunscreen, I think, is the most important thing as well.
Yes. I think you're a nice team.
Shreya Shriya for the win.
Yes, for the win.
Thank you for
Thank you
watching.
guys. Bye.
We're going to discuss sensitive skin. Doesn't matter if there are sales, ek pe ek free, do free, doesn't matter.
Salicylic acid, retinol, benzoyl peroxide, the newest one, what these harsh ingredients can do to your skin.